What if I told you that something as simple as looking into a mirror every day could completely change your life? Imagine this. What if, in just minutes a day, you could unlock a secret to success, abundance, love, and profound self-transformation? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But I promise you, the truth is far more powerful than you think, and I'm about to show you exactly how this ancient technique will open doors you never imagined possible. Today marks the beginning of something extraordinary. The dawn of a new year, 2025, brings with it the energy of fresh starts, endless opportunities, and untapped potential. But here's the thing. Most people will ignore this powerful chance. They will continue their lives as they always have, drifting, uncertain, and stuck in old patterns. And then there's you. You are about to discover the key that will change everything. It's the mirror technique, a tool that has transformed the lives of thousands and holds the promise of an entirely new future. This isn't some fleeting self-help trend. It's an ancient practice that has the power to reshape the way you see yourself and how the world sees you. So let's dive in, because your journey begins right now. I know what you're probably thinking right now. A mirror? Really? How can something so simple have such an impact on my life? Trust me, I get it. When I first heard about this technique, I thought it was just another quick fix. Another feel-good trend that would fade away like so many others. But as I dove deeper into it, what I discovered was nothing short of mind-blowing. It goes far beyond just standing in front of a mirror and repeating empty affirmations. No, this is something much deeper. This practice taps into the very core of your being. It connects your words, your emotions, and your self-image in a way that nothing else can. Here's the truth. You've probably walked past a mirror thousands of times in your life. You glance at your reflection, adjust your hair, check your clothes, and then move on. But have you ever truly looked at yourself? Not just a passing glance, but a deep, intentional gaze into your own eyes. Do you know what happens when you do? It's more than just looking at your reflection. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. They hold stories, emotions, and truths you may have forgotten or never dared to confront. When you stand still, meeting your own gaze, you peel back the layers of distraction that cloud your mind. The act becomes a doorway, a portal, leading you into the uncharted depths of your subconscious. It's as though, for the first time, you are witnessing your true self, unfiltered and raw. This gaze is not just an act of looking. It is an act of discovering, of accepting, and of stepping into your authentic self. Imagine standing before your reflection and seeing not just your outer appearance, but the entire journey of your soul laid bare. The power of this moment can be life-changing. Speaking of life-changing, there's something I came across in 2024 that completely transformed my financial reality, and it can do the same for you. If you're ready to attract massive wealth effortlessly, check the link in the comments below. It reveals shocking wealth secrets from a rogue NASA scientist that you won't believe. But for now, let's continue our journey. Let me explain why this is so important. When you make eye contact with yourself, something remarkable happens. You connect with the deepest part of your mind, the subconscious. It's like pressing a reset button for your belief system. Over time, our minds become cluttered with doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs. Thoughts that often go unnoticed but dictate our actions and feelings. However, this simple practice cuts through that noise. It's as if you're unlocking a hidden dialogue with your inner self. When you speak affirmations while gazing into your own eyes, the words are not just heard. They are felt, seen, and absorbed into the core of your being. The connection transforms the words from mere sounds into powerful vibrations that resonate with your entire essence. Think of it this way. It's akin to planting seeds directly into fertile soil rather than scattering them on rocky ground. The mirror serves as both the soil and the sunlight, nurturing these seeds into growth. Imagine the difference between reading about riding a bike and feeling the rush of wind as you glide down a hill for the first time. The latter imprints a lasting memory, a true experience. Similarly, this practice transforms abstract dreams and desires into living, breathing realities within you. You're not just imagining success. You're living it, embodying it in every fiber of your being. It's the ultimate act of self-empowerment, a way to rewrite the narrative of your life with intention and purpose. Now, I'll be honest with you. At first, this can feel strange, uncomfortable even. You might feel silly standing in front of a mirror, talking to yourself. That's perfectly normal. In fact, that's a sign that you're on the right path. That discomfort, it's your old beliefs, your old programming, fighting back. But here's the thing. The discomfort is the very thing that signals transformation is on the horizon. When you feel that unease, know this, it's your mind shifting. It's your old self finally giving way to something far greater. Now let's talk about something that might flip your understanding of manifestation on its head. You've probably heard that to manifest your desires, you need to have clear goals, detailed plans, and a precise roadmap to follow. But here's the truth that most people miss. The magic doesn't lie in the how. It lies in the what and the why. Let me explain. When you stand in front of that mirror, your natural instinct might be to start obsessing about the details. How is this going to happen? What steps do I need to take? Who do I need to meet? What situation do I need to align with? And while it's tempting to control every step of the process, doing so actually limits you. You see, the universe is like a master chef with billions of ingredients and infinite recipes. When you try to control the how, you're telling the universe, I know the best way. But the truth is, there are infinite ways the universe can bring your desires into reality. Some of them you can't even imagine. It's like ordering from a cosmic menu. Instead of trying to sneak into the kitchen and dictate the recipe, simply place your order. Trust the universe to prepare it for you perfectly. You don't need to worry about the logistics. That's the universe's job. Your job is to focus on the what, the feeling of already having it, and the why, the reasons it's important to you. This is where the real power lies. Feeling the joy, gratitude, and excitement of already having your desires fulfilled. When you embody that feeling, you align with the frequency of what you want. It's not about giving up control. It's about tapping into something far greater than your conscious mind could ever orchestrate. And here's the key. When you do this, the universe begins to move in ways that will leave you in awe. Let me share a secret that will take this practice from powerful to truly transformative. It's called gratitude. But not just any kind of gratitude, the kind of gratitude that shifts everything. Gratitude isn't just about thanking the universe for what you already have. It's about thanking the universe for what's coming. That's right. The things you desire, the abundance you crave, the success you've been dreaming of, thank them as if they've already arrived. It's not about pretending. It's about aligning your energy with the frequency of your desires. Think of gratitude like lighting a single candle in a dark room. At first, it may seem small, but that light begins to illuminate the entire room. The more gratitude you express, the brighter that light becomes. Your energy begins to shift, and as you align with this energy, your brain chemistry changes. You release dopamine, serotonin, those feel-good neurotransmitters that make you more receptive to the opportunities that are waiting for you. This is why, before you begin your mirror work, you should start with a moment of true, heartfelt gratitude. Thank your breath. Thank your heartbeat. Thank the mirror itself. And then expand your gratitude. Thank the relationships, the opportunities, and even the challenges that have made you stronger. Finally, thank the things you're calling into your life, your dreams, your desires, as if they're already here. Now, as you stand before the mirror, make this practice a sacred ritual. Set aside time each day, whether in the morning, before the world awakens, or in the evening, when everything is quiet and settled. These moments, these threshold times, are when the veil between your conscious and subconscious mind is thinnest, making your mirror work infinitely more powerful. Remember, it's not about convenience. It's about energy. And in these moments of stillness, you are meeting with your higher self. You are not just looking at your reflection. You are connecting with the most powerful version of who you are. Take those deep breaths. Feel your entire body expand and contract. This isn't just about relaxation. It's about aligning every part of your being with your desires. Now, to amplify your mirror practice, repeat your affirmations throughout the day. Every time you say them, you're watering the seed you planted in your subconscious. And here's the real game changer: visualization. Don't just say, "I am successful." See it, feel it, taste it. What does success look like for you? What does it feel like? What sounds surround you in your vision of success? The more senses you engage, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. And after your mirror work, take a few moments to sit in silence. Let the affirmations settle into your being, like rain soaking into the soil, nurturing your desires to bloom. This practice is about more than just words. It's about creating a new reality. You are the creator of your world. And every time you step in front of that mirror, you are planting the seeds of your future. Your potential is limitless, and with the mirror technique, you are unlocking a power greater than you ever imagined. It's not just about what you say, but the belief and conviction with which you say it. Each affirmation, spoken with intent, acts like a spark igniting a flame within you. Over time, these sparks grow into a blazing fire of self-confidence, clarity, and purpose. Imagine standing tall, fully aligned with your goals, unshaken by doubt or fear. This is the reality you're crafting with each intentional moment in front of the mirror. Start today. Look into your eyes. Speak your truth. And watch as the world begins to change. The universe is waiting, and it's ready to manifest your deepest desires. All you need to do is believe and take that first step in front of the mirror. Remember, transformation begins with the smallest of actions, and this practice is the key to unlocking your infinite potential. So go ahead, make the mirror your ally, your partner in growth, and your source of endless inspiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. Share this video with someone who could use a boost of positivity and self-empowerment. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more transformative practices, powerful insights, and life-changing techniques. Check out our other videos to continue your journey of growth and self-discovery. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are powerful beyond measure. Until next time, keep shining.